What's up, guys? We got a 2021 Dodge Challenger. Went ahead and added the shock sensor add-on, and then he wanted an alert on his phone when the factory alarm goes off. Basically, they like to break into this vehicle, steal the rims, or bust your window and get in. So we added the shock sensor, which is a major update to this vehicle, along with the alert notification. Some people would like to get that alert. The system is in two partitions. You can always get the shock sensor alone, and then you can always add the notification in the future, or if you want to, you can do it all in one. Basically, I just installed it, so I'm gonna bang on the first window. You're gonna see that the alarm's gonna set off. He has the phone and vibrate, but yeah, it makes the alarm noise when it triggers. And then we're gonna go ahead and test out the other side. Sometimes we get people to write us an email. Does this sensor work in both sides? And yes, it does. You can get the car to, the shock sensor will work evenly in both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this window. When you're on the alarm, factory alarms have a delay. You can't bang on the car right away. You got to give it like 40 seconds or so, and then you're able to bang on the vehicle. Shock sensor does pick up the body, but I don't like to bang on these things because they're like a very thin metal, and you can put a dent on the car. So we're located in Miami. Whoever has these type of vehicles and you're out of state, no problem. Give us a call, and we can guide you how to get this installed as soon as possible. Got alarm alert notification. Then I'll go ahead and hit the tire. The last thing I'll do. Numbers again while we're waiting for the alarm to rearm. It's 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're located in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Homestead area, give us a call. We do have mobile service, and we come out and we can get this installed as soon as possible. But then again, anybody out of state that wants to get this done, feel free to give us a call, and we'll guide you so you can get this done as soon as possible. Give it a few more seconds, and I'm going to pound on this window. I'm going to bang on this rim. By the way, whoever has these type of vehicles, I would suggest for you to get some lug nut locks. Get 3 per tire if possible. The more you put on, the better, because in order to take them out, if you see in the bottom of the video, there's a socket that they put in, and they bang on it with a hammer to punch it in by force, and then retract them out. Basically, those sockets are made for tire places, so if you ever have lug nut locks and you lost the key and they need to change your tires, they're able to take them out. But you can buy them online, so whoever's in the business of doing stealing rims and tires, it should not be an issue to continue the trade. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this tire here. So lug nut locks will work great, because as soon as they walk up to your rims and they try to bust them out, the shock sensor will pick up the impact and fire off the alarm. Basically, I think whoever tries to break into your vehicle will probably bang on the window or kick the tires to see if the car has anything done to it. But yeah, our numbers again is 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist of Miami, Inc. And we thank you for watching this video on this 2021 Dodge Challenger.